If your pet causes the death of another person, you can be guilty of involuntary manslaughter, which is punishable for up to 15 years in prison or a fine of no more than $7,500. If the pet attacks and seriously injures another person, you may be guilty of a felony punishable up to 4 years in prison. So one's a death, one's a serious injury, and that's 4 years in prison with a couple $1,000 fine. If your pet attacks and bites a person causing an injury that's not that serious, you can be guilty of a misdemeanor and go to jail for up to 90 days. So I don't see those very often at all. And there's a lot of monetary penalties. But on the civil side, that's when you can be forced to pay. In fact, there's a definitive book in Michigan that put out by the Institute of Continuing Legal Education. That's a book of all the types of torts in Michigan. I actually wrote the chapter in that book, and you can search it, and it's out there. But on the civil side, you really need insurance. Everybody listening who has any type of dog that possibly could bite or get out or cause damage should have good homeowners insurance, and they should be honest with their carrier that they have a dog, and you shouldn't have too many dogs that you can't take care of. And if your dog bites and you know it bites, you better do a really good job of finding a behavioral person who could take care of it. Keep it locked up. Keep it in the house. Do not let it around people because you will be responsible. I promise you that. And if you don't have insurance, you can lose your house, you could lose your car, you can lose everything you have.